Good afternoon. Today we are going to see the formula, how it was derived for area of reinforcement. Now already we have gone through this, that is area of reinforcement. Here we have committed one mistake, so that I will first modify it. So B we have to multiply it by D, which we have not done in this. So I will make correction over here. And then we will solve for this. Sorry, this is not for XU. So this we have for AST. Because we have this equation, that is equation for this equation is quadratic equation for AST. So we have quadratic equation for AST. And from this we will get this AST, that is equal to this value. Now we will again solve for this. So actually we have this final formula, but we will go with other steps in this. So after this we have AST is equal to, so we have AST is equal to, I am doing this equal to, now you can see we have this minus of minus plus 0.313 Fy FCKB. So I will go now here also we have to modify it, here also we have to give it as D, because we have already added D in B. So now we will go with this minus minus plus. So we will get it as 0.313 Fy FCK B into D. Then we have minus we are going to consider, and then in root of, and now we can see what we have to consider. So we have this as minus we have taken. So we have this minus 0.313 Fy FCK BD whole square. So this is 0.313 square Fy square FCK square B square D square. And 0.313 square we will get it as 0.098 into other we have all square Fy square FCK square B square and D square. So then we have this as minus. Now you can see next we have, that is 4 into, so you can see over here. So we have this term, that is 4 into 0.318 into 0.36. And if you calculate this value, then we are going to get this value, that is equal to 0.46. So we have minus 0.46. Then next we have, that is, you can see over here that we have Fy square, then we have Fy square FCK B into Mu. So we will go Fy square FCK, then we have B into Mu divided by, we have, if you will see there, then we have that term, that is equal to divided by 2 into A, 2 into 0.318, it comes 0.636 into Fy square. Now you can see in first we have Fy FCK BD. So here also we will make a term. Here also we have Fy FCK BD. Now here we have Fy FCK square we require, and therefore I will do terms. So I will multiply it by FCK. I will multiply it by B, and I will multiply by D square. Now if you will see, these terms except Mu are same over here. And then whatever term I have taken extra, I will write below it FCK into B into D square. And now from this I can take Fy square FCK B into D square as common. So now if we will solve this, then we will have 0.313 Fy FCK BD minus, so I am taking Fy FCK BD outside. In root I will get it as, so if you will see in first term we have only 0.098 minus, in second we have 0.46 and term remained is mu, and then we have below FCKBD square, and whole of this divided by 0.636 Fy square, that is divided by. Now I will take this 0.636 inside, so I will get it as, I will take Fy FCK BD common from this, and one Fy gets cancelled with this, or we can have Fy FCK BD common from all divided by Fy square. In bracket I will take it as 0.313 divided by 0.636 minus root of 0.098 divided by, we are taking in root, so it becomes square, minus 4.6 divided by 0.636 square into mu upon FCK BD square. Now if you will solve this, then one Fy gets cancelled, then we have FCK BD upon Fy, and if you will calculate this value, that is 0.313 upon 0.636, so it comes value that is 0.5, 0.49 if we will take exact values, then it comes 0.5. So then we have 0.098 divided by 0.636 square, then it comes 0.25 in root 0.25 minus, and this value 4.6 divided by 0.636 square, we will get this value, sorry, this is not 0.46, 4.6, it is 0.46. So here we do not have, so I will write it as 0.46, and then we will have 0.46 divided by 0.636 square, it comes 1.14 mu upon FCKBD square. Now you can see, if I will take 0.5 outside from this, 0.25 outside, then it becomes 0.5. So this 0.5, or we will go one step, that is FCKBD upon Fy in bracket 0.5 minus, I will take 0.5 outside from this, then we will have root of, now this 0.25 outside is 0.5, so then we have 1 minus, now what I will do, I will multiply here in the second term, that is multiply and divide it by 0.25, so for this, so into we have 0.25 divided by 0.25. So we will have to go 1.14 divided by 0.25, and this value comes 4.6. So we will have 1 minus 4.6 mu upon FCK BD square. And now if we will take 0.5 outside, and we will have this formula AST, which is equal to 0.5 FCK BD upon Fy in bracket. Now this 0.5 we have taken from both outside. So 1 minus root of 1 minus 4.6 mu upon FCK BD square. And this is actually we have formula, and from this formula we can calculate value of AST. So you should know how actually it comes. If you require, you can derive it. So today we will stop here only. Remaining part we will see in the next lecture. So though not in syllabus, so but we should know if we will go for any examination or any oral examination, we should be in position to answer it. Thank you.